Okay, this is my Kobra S1, and you can see here, this is my S2.0 millimeter, and it just doesn't, you can see it kind of sticks, and then it doesn't work. That's that one. And I'll see if I can show you this one. Let me get in there. It's hard to do this with only one hand and filming at the same time. Let me see if I can get it in there. There we go. Okay. Jesus. I guess that's a better view. So you can see I'm spinning this, and it's just loose in here. And now for the next one, let's see if I can. Okay, there's that one. And that one just spins as well. You can see, I can feel it's just rounded out inside. These things, I don't know what these flat screws are, but they were poor quality, and you can see, let's see if I can do it on this. You can see my tool is not rounded at all. And I have both sides that I've tried. So, yeah, and then I have not only that, but also this other one. Jeez, I got to really work on focus here. This one, that's a little bit longer. That came with a different part of the tool. And when I put it, it's focusing on that. Let's see if I can move that out of the way. And just spins. This one just spins. Inside I can feel resistance, but it just freely. And then this one as well. I can do it. Yeah, it's just slipping. All right, there you go. Oh, and then also the nozzle fell out after and scratched up one of my build plates. Where is it? That popped off. There is the damage the nozzle did to the... Boy, this just cannot focus. Let me see if I just set it down. There we go. Oh, yeah. You can see it scraped it and acted like sandpaper on the nozzle. The nozzle probably needs to be replaced as well. So, yeah, this wasn't a secondary one I bought because I wanted one that had flat side, as where this is the one that came with the unit. It's back in here now, but can't do anything now because I still need to fix an extrusion issue, but I can't get at that part that I need to take off in order to get at the extruder. Thank you.